As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I am thinking of. As I read the lines that to me were so sweet, I remember I fell in love. I miss you, darling, more and more every day. As heaven with me, the stars above. With every heartbeat I still think of you and remember our faded love.
I think of the past and all the pleasures we had as I watch
The mating of the doves.
it was in the springtime and you said goodbye. I remember our faded love.
I miss you, darling,
Every day
as heaven would meet
the stars above.
with every heartbeat
I still think of you
and remember our faded love.
Willingly, I fell in love with you.
Willingly, I learned to love you too. Though we both knew that it was wrong, to someone else we both belong. We fell in love willingly.